What's up, gearheads? Welcome to another episode of Fast Mod Friday. We're here because I busted out the Fusion's fog light and it looks like crap, so we found this awesome new LED fog light. We're going to swap it out. Apparently it's all plug and play, so we're just going to jump right into it and swap it out. Enjoy, guys. Okay, now it's super simple. We just need a couple tools. All we're doing is disconnecting the bulb, taking it out, and then taking out these two 7mm bolts, and then replace it with the new assembly. Everything is pretty cut and dry. Careful on this piece. It's really tough to get out, maybe because it doesn't get removed a lot. All you're gonna need for tools is maybe a little pry bar, just to be able to pry back the clips, and just take your time on it, okay? Next, you're just gonna remove the bulb, take it out. Don't touch these bulbs, don't get them dirty. And then for the 7mm, all we gotta do is take them out. This should pop the entire assembly out. And then we can put the new assembly back in. Here's the old assembly. You can tell it's really worn down. Basically probably never gets taken out in its entire life. But we got a nice beautiful LED one, which I really like, and so we're just going to swap that out with our new assembly. There's the new assembly, all the LEDs in there. I thought it was pretty cool, picked up pretty inexpensively. So all you gotta do is put it in the same way you took it out, give it a little twist, and that's it. The whole entire assembly has little alignment pins on either side, and then two screws that go on the other side. So that's going to be these 7mm bolts, and we just got to put it in, start it with our fingers, and tighten it up. And that's it. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. Alright, gearheads, that wraps up this week's episode of Fast Mod Friday. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we have a lot of fun doing them. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you haven't yet and you want to, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more notifications, and you'll be notified when the next episode comes out. Take care, guys.